When joining at the end of a row, many times you join with a slip stitch and fasten off. Slip stitch and then fasten off. And a lot of times you just pull this yarn through and it creates this ugly knot right here. And it kind of makes that end very noticeable. Today I'm going to show you how to do a nice clean finish that makes this join basically disappear. For an invisible join, we're going to ignore that last slip stitch to join, and we're just going to pull our yarn through to the end. Now, taking a yarn needle, I've threaded the yarn on my needle, and in that place where you would have placed your slip stitch, you're just going to slide your needle through. So see, I am just right through the middle of that stitch. Pull that stitch, or pull that all the way through, and then take the yarn and go right back into the top of your last stitch and back through the bottom. And pull to the same stitch tension as all your other stitches. This now is your new join, and you do not have that knot. So now to secure it, you can just turn it to the back side. I like to grab a small piece of fiber in here and secure it with a knot. And weave in my ends. Trim. And you now have an invisible join. Look how nice that looks. You can't tell that that is where your row ended.